My name is Bethy Beam, and here we have
Softlive.com.
And this video we're going to be doing Pidgin to Korean. Ew. Wow.
She has got the gods.
We're going to be doing Pidgin to Korean, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's get into the video.
In case you did not know, let's just say we're Korean language students, because we're still learning. So we're just here to have some fun.
Wow. We are not perfect yet.
Yes.
So, that's just what still learning means. We are not perfect.
Yes. So let's see how good we are with Korean and how good we are with translating Pidgin to Korean as well.
Are you starting?
I beg me to start. Help me to start. How do you say that in Korean?
Don't do that. We just started. Start is shijak.
Yeah, shijak help.
And then
help me to start. Shijak to watch sale. It feels like it's shijak to watch sale. Help me start. Does that make sense? That's the literal translation.
Yeah, literal translation. It makes sense, but
we don't know that that's the real way in native to say
it. Yeah. We're not perfect. Let me start with something simple. Bele de pay me.
Ha. Bele de pay me.
Yeah.
Bele de pay me. Bele de pay me. Pair pile. Pair pile. Pair pile. Yay. Let me throw it right back at you. My head they pay me.
My head they pay me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see that I'm starting soft.
Yes.
You mean that she will throw soft.
It's soft.
Now I will not throw soft.
I ain't gonna die.
Wait, I don't want to say this because I feel like
Bethy.
it might be difficult to say. I want japa.
Which kind of thing it is? Wait, do that.
Answer that question. I want japa.
Okay.
What is it in Korean?
So, I want japa.
I want japa.
Japa kagoshipoyo.
Japa is to travel.
Is it
Japa is to travel abroad. That's japa now.
So, to where? Where is abroad? Okay, what's abroad in Korean? Abroad too. But really, okay, how do you say jakba? I want to jakba. If it is travel, your hang is your hang kagoshipoyo. But I don't know what is
that. Like what foreign? What is foreign?
Wegugin.
Wow.
That's okay. That's a foreigner. Wegugin.
The wegugin is a foreigner. If it's wegu, I mean wegu is
Anyways,
even me ask the question, I don't know it. It's take it or leave it.
Yes, let's manage it like that. Let's manage it like that. Okay. You get money, I do you don't get money. You know this word.
You get
money, I do
you don't get money. You get money.
Yeah.
You don't get money. Ton is money.
Yeah.
Ton is so. A million of so.
Yeah.
Ton is so do you have money?
Yeah.
Of so or you don't have money?
Yes.
Ton is so a million ton of so.
Well done.
Okay, let me ask you.
Yes.
That's right. Okay, this one is you don't read.
Huh.
You don't read or you choke.
You choke. Based on financial capacity, is that what you mean?
Okay. Where else does he really choke?
Used to read. So it's going to be tone of soil. Don't change up soil. Tony of soil, chicha of soil. Okay, so it's my turn now.
Yes, your turn.
Okay. What you cook? Yeah.
What you cook? More.
Where are you looking?
Maybe the answer is no.
All right. Okay.
Yori soil. Oh, there. What you cook? Okay. More. That is something. More. Yori. Soil.
There.
More yori soil. What you cook?
That's it. Yori soil.
Not making me feel like I don't know Korean.
This one, she knows more than me.
I don't get it.
Intermediate level like this.
Stop talking like that.
Stop saying that.
Okay. This one. That girl fine.
Ha. Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking. Okay. So you asking me? I don't understand. What are we doing here?
Look, your jaga, arum tawoyo. 아름다워요. 예뻐요.
네.
아름다워요.
아름다워요.
It's beautiful. Yeah, so she's fine.
But I say not fine. Fine.
What is fine in which kind of wickedness is this?
You say what is fine in Korean? Fine.
It's beautiful, cute, pretty.
I mean,
we don't have
Kyo.
beautiful 아름다운. And then pretty is 예뻐요. So 그 여자가 아름다워요. We can manage, go.
Yeah, we can manage that.
Abi.
It's fine.
Okay, let's manage it.
Okay, fine.
No, but I think it's okay. Yeah.
It's okay.
Hey.
Please.
Random phrases. You ask me. I don't trust you. Cut.
How far? If you give me your number.
Waiting me this. How far? Yeah. Where's so? Where here?
Anita, come on. Honey, how far if you give me your number? What is the how far? What is it?
Leave me.
How far?
Pono is phone number. So Pono 주세요. But how do you say that?
Can you
Give me. 할게요.
Pono
줄게요.
Honey, you know, like when they say change question.
It is well.
I even me that I asked the question. You didn't know.
Where you dey now?
Where you did now?
Yes, where you dey now?
Chicken is away.
Ma?
지금 어디 있어요? 어디에 있어요? 지금 어디에 있어요?
Yeah, it works.
Then I want chow.
I want chow in English. I want to eat. So 먹고 싶어요. 네? 먹고 싶어. To be casual.
I want to eat.
I dey go house.
I dey go out.
Yes.
집에 가고 있어요.
네, 집에 가고 있어요. Smooth. So
I'm good. I don't used to waste time. I said, find me 2K.
Find me
2K is like in English, give me 2K.
Yeah. 2K back.
Find me 2K.
So 1,000 is it chon? Chon. So each chon is gonna be 2,000.
Why am I asking for you?
Help me. Okay, so each chon 주세요. Urgent 2K. We want to add urgent. Just put pali. Just put pali.
Pali to sell.
Urgent 2K.
Good. Some pali to sell. That's
Yes.
We're done, ba?
Yes.
What is we are done in Pidgin?
끝났어요.
And in Pidgin.
I don't finish. We don't finish. We don't finish.
No.
So guys, thank you. This is the end of this video. We don't come to the end of this video. If you know, say you enjoyed
What do you
this
think
video.
like this?
If you know, say you like this video, help us to hit the subscribe button and make you cuckoo hit the like button and make you also help us share this video to your friends and family.
Yes.
If you get any Pidgin phrase or you want, make we interpret to Korean. Help us write down for the comment down below. Thank you for watching.